Hello, hello! Andito na naman sa Teacher Mayet sa mayon na liwat ket aanseran. Okay, so unahon taan hadis sa ilarom. So, find the measure of angle 1, this one, if the measure of arc, this one, an arc ADB is 120. So, this is a two tangent lines. Na nakapag-form siya ng exterior angle. So, exterior kasi nasa labas siya ng circle. So, doon sila nag-intersect. Yung dalawang tangent lines intersects outside the circle. So, kaya siya tinawag na exterior. So, pag sugad sini, ang ato sini moon para makuha tan angle 1 is nasugad good. The measure, half, angle 1 is equal to half of the measure of this arc minus the measure of this arc. So, ang given la dito, yung ginhatag is si ADB. Ito. So, pera si ADB is 120. So, kung 120 si ADB, pera si ACB. So, since, diba, 360 and 1 revolution, so, pag minus ta si 360 minus 120, that is 240. So, ibig sabihin, this arc measures 240. See? Arc ACB. Okay, so, mayon nakit value sa buka na arc. So, masugad kit measure of angle 1 equals half of the difference. Igma-minus ta an arc didi sa kabila. So, masod kit 240 minus 120. Again, pag in-add ta si 240 at saka si 120, that is 360, equivalent to 1 revolution. Okay. So, what is 240 minus 120? So, 0, 0. So, 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so what is half of 120? Pero ang kalahati sa 120. Okay. So, pero ang kalahati sa 100, that is 50. So, how about 20? Half of 20, that is 10. So, 50 plus 10 is 60. So, 60 is the measure of angle 1. So, iningayan siya is sa isinta. So, ganun na siya kasimple. No? Okay, so paano naman kung dalawang secant lines? So, iningayan siya tangent lines kasi sa ila siya kabisis nag-agi sa circle. Ini nga line at saka this one. So, secant naman siya kay duha siya. Nga di at saka nga di. Kumbaga, pumuhol, ang tawag nun. Umagigod siya sa loob ng circle. So, kaya nakahimo siya sin angle sa loob ng circle. So, that is, this angle is inside the circle or interior angle. So, this one nasa labas. So, kaya siya tinawag na exterior angle. So, sa palagay mo, pera kaya ang angle 1. So, ano kaibahan nila? Since this is a dalawang tangent line na nag-intercept, kahimo sin angle, exterior angle, ang ginhimo ta didi is ikuha taan difference san tunga half of the difference of the arcs. So this one kay nasa loob man babalik taron taan difference. Kung nag-minus kit didi, mag-add kit didi. So kung ang given ko is si AB is 34, this one, arc AB is 34. Tapos si arc CD is 80. So, to find the measure of angle 1, masugat kit, measure of angle 1 is equal to half of the sum of its intercepted arc at saka an intercepted arc sa kanya sa vertical angle. Ano sabukan niya? Okay, this one. So, na kanya intercepted arc. So, since an intercepted arc ni AB is 34, so masulat ko 34. Then si CD is 80. Ano? So, what is 34 plus 80? So, 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. So, what is half of 114? Pero ang katunga ni 114, that is the measure of angle 1. So, si 100 lang muna bago si 14. Pero ang half ni 150, di ba? So, what is half of 14? That is 7. So, what is 50 plus 7 is 57 degrees. Ano? So, don't forget the degree. So, angle 1 is 57 degree. Ano? Pag nasa loob siya. So, that is 57. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. So, nakuha niya ang kaibahan sa dalawang tangent lines na nag-intersect sa labas ng, and dalawang tangent line na nagtupo at nakahimusin exterior angle. At saka, dito naman sa kabilaan, dalawang secant lines, nakahimusin interior angle. So, ganun lang siya kasimple ang pag-answer. Okay, so how about sa bobo naman? Baliktaron tala. So, sa bobo, hindi naman is hanapuntan unknown. Ano? So, this is a proportion. So, nanot ang proportion? Proportion is the equality of two ratios. So, paano tayo nibabasahon? 2 is to 4 as is to x. So, since ang bago is proportion ko na is the equality of the ratio, so bisan di ka na sini mag-solve, pwede mo na laing mental computation. Sumusod ka. What is 8 times 4? 32. So, nano a number na pag minultiply mo kay 2 is 32, or you just divide. 32 divided by 2 is, very good, that is 16. So, ganun pa. So, hala daw. Paano pag hinanapan ka ng solution? Ganito lang yan. So, 2 times x is 2x as 4 times 8 is 32. Since we're solving for x, divide both sides by 2. So, magiging x equals, what is half of 32? 16. Diba? Sige, check ta daw kung tama. So, sa pag-check, kopyahon taan, proportion, and given proportion, pero this time, i-substitute na ang value na x. So, 2 is to 4 as 8 is to 16. Daw kung maging equal sila. What is 8 times 4? Very good, 32. What is 16 times 2? Of course, that is also 32. So, are they equal? Yes, they are. So, meaning, si 16 ay tama. Ano naman sa ikaduha? Sumayaon na dididuha na x. So, pag sini, ganun din. What is x times x? X squared equals, what is 4 times 9? That is 36. So, since we're solving for x, kailangan mawaraan power of 2. So, paano siya matatanggal? So, magbutangkit, kabilaan, sin square root. Then, isurat ta si x squared, sabuka man si 36. So, pag may square root at saka may power of 2, Okay, we can cancel them. Ano kasi 1 na lang ito siya. So this, how about, so na ito ra. So si x na lang. So what is the square root of 36? Positive, negative, 6. But of course, we will take positive answer. So positive, positive 6. So, wala daw, check natin kung tama. So, 4 is to 6 as 6 is to 9. So, dapat mag-equal sila, no? Para tamaan na ito, x. So, what is 6 times 6? 36. What is 4 times 9? Is also 36. So, 36 is equal to 36. So, they are equal. Meaning, our x, which is 6, is correct. Okay, so this one naman, mayaon naman siya binomial. Ano? So, pero, ganun pa rin yun. So, ano ba? Ito. I-multiply ita. What is 9 times x? 9x plus 9 times 4 is 36 equals. Hindi naman. 18 times x is 18x minus 18 times 3. So, sa isa yun. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry 2. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2 is 54. Okay, so pagsasamahin natin ang may variable x, pero ang magmo-move andito. Ano? So, si 9x saka si 18x, hay nandito. Of course, si 9x. So, siya ang mapakato sa buka. So, 18x, 9x will transpose to the right side of the equation, magiging negative 9x. Very good. So, copy si, kopya si 36. Negative 54, pag magpakato sa kabila, magiging positive 54. So, what is 18x minus 9x? Okay. So, kalahati. 9x. An answer, copy si x. So, what is 36 plus 54? 6 plus 4 is 10. Bring down 0. Carry 1. 3 times 5 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So, 90. So, we will divide both sides by 9 para x na lang, ano? So, what is 90 divided by 9? Of course, that is 10. Ano ito ra? Si x na lang. So, the value of our x is 10. So, ano daw? I-check ta kung tama. So, this time, magamit kit otros san ato. Didi, proportion. Ano? Tapos ato na igbabutang, ato na i-substitute si 10 sa x. So, let us check. 18, 10 plus 4 is 14. Equals, copy si 9 sa baw-baw. What is 10 minus 3 is 7. Alada, so kailan maging equal sila? Okay, 18 times 7 is, 18 times 7 is 56, carry 5. 7 times 1 is 7, plus carry na 5 is 12. Alada, sa buka naman. 14 times 9. 9 times 4 is 6. Carry 3. 9 times 1 plus 3 is also 12. So, 126 is equal to 126. Correct. Meaning, our x, which is 10, ay tama. Okay? So, dali lang, di ba? So, pag may natutunan at nagustuhan nyo ang aking video, kung may natutunan kayo at nagustuhan nyo ang aking video, paki-share na lang para makabulikit sa iba. At para laging updated sa mga bago nating i-upload na video, paki-follow nyo na rin ang aking page. Waraynon Math Tutor. Okay, salamat. Bye-bye.